Chi extra gafara pindira depkoma gafa.
Are you ready for some exciting music news? Winky D is dropping a new track, and we've got the inside scoop. Welcome back to Zimusic 263, your go-to place for all things Zimbabwean music. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Let's dive right in. The Reggae-Dancehall maestro Winky D is set to release a new track titled Love Quartet on the 10th of May 2024. The title has sparked a lot of speculation, and today we're going to delve into what it could mean. Love Quartet. Intriguing, isn't it? A quartet typically refers to a group of four. In the context of music, it often means four voices or instruments harmonizing together. So, Love Quartet could potentially represent four different aspects or stages of love, or perhaps four different stories of love, all harmonizing together in one song. Now, could this mean that Winky D is planning to feature other artists in this track? It's a possibility. Winky D has collaborated with several artists in the past, so it wouldn't be a surprise. But who could these artists be? Could we see a collaboration with Iyeye, who recently had a successful performance in the UK? Or perhaps Holy Ten, who's been creating a buzz with his recent performances? Saint Flo, who's been making headlines with his dramatic stage entrances, could also be a potential collaborator. And let's not forget Master H, who's been ruling the roost on all radio stations and social streets. Regardless of who's featured, if anyone, we know that Love Quartet is bound to be another hit from Winky D. His thoughtful lyricism and social commentary have always resonated with fans, and we can't wait to see what he brings to the table this time. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. And remember, Love Quartet drops on the 10th of May. Mark your calendars. Until next time, keep the music playing.